How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this episode we're gonna get our hands on another Vevor tool that was sent to me for free for my review. This time it's a mag drill. Without any hesitation, let's go ahead, open up the box and see what's inside. Comes in a really sturdy box. Jeez, look at this cardboard. So this kit comes with a bunch of stuff. The mag drill itself, 11 different annular bits from 12 to 27 mils in diameter. 3 handles for the drill, chuck for regular bits, bunch of Allen keys, center punch, adapter, strap, key chuck, and a container for cutting fluid. Let's figure out how it works and try to drill something. This is pretty sturdy and heavy machine. It's 10.8 kilograms, which is almost 24 pounds. Good dumbbell. I plugged it in, but the magnet is not working yet. As soon as we hit this button, it engages the magnet. Now it's magically glued to my table. That's pretty awesome. Off. Magic. I can move my table. It's a lot of power. And then we hit on. And it'll start spinning. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to drill any holes in this table yet. Let's clamp a piece of angle iron in my vise and try to drill some holes. This is 1/4-inch wall. Turn it on. Of course, we're gonna start with biggest drill bit there is, which is 27 mils, probably 1.1/8 in imperial. This is what we're dealing with. Some heavy duty stuff. Feels nice and sharp too. Let's install it in a drill. Okay, so 2 screws for sure better than 1. The bit won't spin. Alright, you guys ready for some action? Let's put a little bit of rapid top here and see what it's capable of. Wow, like true butter, man, like nothing. Unreal. And we got this very hot for some reason. Duh. Little puck. I'm actually very impressed. Let's drill one more. Move it a little bit. This is in real time, you guys. I didn't speed up anything. And actually it took a little longer because we drilled into the side of the angle iron. See what I mean? It was even rubbing on the side. So we'll drill one more hole and I'm gonna put a timer on it to see how long it takes to drill. "15 seconds. It's pretty darn good. Okay, we're gonna clamp this angle iron vertically and see what this drill can say. Look at that. Man, I really like this drill. Let's do one more, or a lot more. Okay, guys. Apparently this little thing is not a center punch. How I stated before. It has to be installed inside annular cutter. So let's fix it. Now we're talking. Nice and tight. This is 1/2 inch plate of steel. Clamp that to the table. Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna drill 11 holes with all 11 available different size bits. So that was 27. This is 26. Let's go. Something was definitely weird with this bit. Even shavings look way different. Way too much vibration. It's like not drilling but chewing or milling even. Might have been also disbalanced because drill was sitting on an angle like this, not touching the plate like on a full surface. Drill has to be sitting that flat, and then you won't have those crazy vibrations like we witnessed on some previous holes. Effortless. Right on! We got all 11 drilled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pim, 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 pim. Boom, boom, boom. There you guys go. All 11 bits, 11 holes, and only 10 plugs. I lost one somewhere. But yeah, really handy tool to have. Alright guys, let's wrap this video up. So what my thoughts are on this machine. I think that this is well dollar spent for this little beast. 1/2-inch steel plate was the thickest one that I got on hand, but I'm pretty sure it'll drill through 3/4 or maybe even through the inch. Overall, pretty stoked with this tool. Definitely will be using in my shop. If you're guys in fabrication business or metalworking, you definitely gonna need to get yourself one like this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. That's it for this one, and I will see you in next one. Bye now. God bless.